What's up, YouTube? Man, it's your boy Fleezes, man. Today's not a good video. Today I want to explain and express how I fumbled the bag on monetizing my YouTube video. So before we get into this video, please like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell for Messenger Boy, man. Please, because I need it. Let's get into the video. Now, I don't know if you know, in order to monetize your video in today's world, you need to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch time minutes. For a lot of us, it's not that easy to get 1,000 subscribers or the watch time minutes if you're not being consistent or if you're not posting anything that's, gravitating to the people, that's gonna watch your channel. You know what I'm saying? So, me personally, I've been doing YouTube for a while now, off and on, basically. And I be getting discouraged sometime, and I be stopping, I be coming back, I be stopping, coming back, doing one of those. Which I know it's bad, and I shouldn't be doing that, but I'm only human, and everybody makes mistakes, right? So anyway, so what I came here to say is, back in, I think it was 2013, I've been doing YouTube, okay? I haven't been posting like vlogs or anything like that, or how-tos or anything like that. I've just been posting content. I used to shoot music videos. I used to try to do like little skits, like, with my friends and my family, whatever the case may be. Nothing too crazy, right? But back then, you didn't need 1,000 subscribers. You didn't need 4,000 watch minutes. All you needed was people that's coming to your page to watch your page. You know what I'm saying? They still had the copyright restrictions and things of that nature, but you didn't need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch minutes. Now, I don't know if you know, but I've been doing YouTube since your big YouTubers from back in the day that's still doing YouTube now, that's big now, like DDG and Kira and Ken Walker and things of that nature. Like, that's who I used to watch or whatever. And when I was doing YouTube, when I really knew what YouTube was, I was watching them. So, but I didn't know that you could get paid for YouTube. You know what I'm saying? I didn't know you could get money. I didn't know you could get rich. I didn't know anything like that. I just thought you could make a couple of dollars. But had I known what I know today, I think I would have been big. I came up the same time as DDG and Ken Walker. I remember when I first watched Dear and Ken, when they was in their house and they were sitting on the floor. I don't know if you remember that video. I might put it up here. They were sitting on the floor with their dog and they was making a video. That's how far back I'm talking, all right? So, long story short, I had, been posting content, and I think I was getting the views in the minutes or whatever the case may be, and then YouTube sent me an email saying, congratulations, you are able to monetize your video. So, mind you, at that time, I didn't know what that meant. I didn't know what it really mean to monetize the video. I didn't know they talk about like get paid. Whatever the case may be. So I did it. I filled out the Google AdSense and everything like that. And then they had sent me something in the mail saying that I had to verify my debit card or whatever the case may be. And I was working at the time back then. I think I was doing like what do you call that? I don't know. I was working back in the day, like school, some of Yummy or whatever it's called. I was doing that. You know what I'm saying? And they had sent me, a little cent or whatever it was so I could verify it or whatever. And I think I got paid $1 and change from YouTube. Now, I'm not knowing nothing. I'm not knowing like, I'm getting paid from you. So I'm thinking, they gave me $1 and change. They ain't nothing crazy. I didn't know if I would have posted videos and kept like posting consistently, that them dollars would eventually turn to hundreds of dollars. I didn't know nothing like that, right? So I'm gonna put a little thing right here and show y'all how they sent me an email saying congratulations, I've been monetized. On the same channel, I've been monetized, and now I can't even monetize the channel because I don't have the watch time minutes, nor do I have the 1,000 subscribers. So if you're watching this, please help your boy out. Subscribe. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to post more content and things of that nature, but I just want to show y'all, like, it was easier back in the day to get monetized before anybody knew what YouTube was. Nowadays, everybody's doing YouTube, and it's more harder to, bring in that audience that's going to watch you consistently, who's going to support you, and things of that nature. But don't give up, because I know if you go hard, you know what I'm saying, and you be consistent, and you'll reach the goals that you want to reach. It's 2023, man. We gotta lock in, man. We gotta push ourselves. You know what I'm saying? So that's what I want to do. I want to push ourselves. I want to tell y'all right now, it's not hard. You just gotta work. Your work ethic gotta be up there. I know. Trust me. You're looking at a person who quits every couple of days or whatever case may be, and I don't mean to, but sometimes life hits you, and it's just life. But I really want to be consistent. I'm trying to find some things to post, and I like vlogging. I like doing not how to's, but unboxings. I'm big on tech. I got my computer, my GoPros, and my drones and things of that nature. So yeah, I got all those things, but I just gotta be consistent. So let's be consistent, y'all. If you're watching this video, let's be consistent. Like I said, I was monetized before. Well, I was able to monetize before, so I'm trying to do it again in 2023. But that pretty much wrap up my video. I just want to show y'all that your boy was monetized once before, and now I fumbled the bag, and now I'm just pissed off. It hurt my heart. But yeah, like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. That's your boy, man. I appreciate y'all for tuning in. Like always, peace, love, and chicken grease, and I'm gone. Peace.